Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the FITTED 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are going to draw about a C clamp. Take one straight line. After that, draw one circle. Again one more circle. Again here one small circle. Okay, after that join this line and join this line and join this line and join this line. After that here one taper slot will come. Okay, after that here we'll make little bit extension so that the C clamp will come like this. The clamp will join here. Okay, here draw one circle and here join this circle. Okay, so that this clamp will attach here, so that here the screw by using the for tightening purpose wing nut. Okay, here join like this, so this will be the screw. This will be this C clamp. This is the wing nut. This will be the screw. This will be the frame. This will be the clamp. If you like this video, please share to your friends. I can do more videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for your support.